Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are not being able to go live even though you have 1,000 followers on Instagram, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it. So first thing first, make sure that the application that you are using is updated. For that, head over to Play Store and then search for Instagram. At the section here, if you see update, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Let's go ahead, open it. And now try going live. If it's doing nothing for you, then we will have to submit a report. For that, tap three bar icon, scroll below, select help. In here, tap report a problem, tap report a problem again, select include and continue, and simply type in that even though you have 1,000 followers and you are 18-year-old, or at least you crossed the 18-year-old age limit, you are still not being able to go live. Go ahead, write in that. If you have any type of screenshot that you would like to attach, tap on upload on your bottom left hand side. Once you do so, tap on send, wait for a couple hours, and they will reply to you why that you are not being able to go live with a customized solution.